Hi, this is Chantel with WTI. If you are looking for a new saute pan that is non-stick, I have been really happy with the saute pan by Caraway. Because of the way the pan is designed, it can hold heat more efficiently, so I can cook on low or medium heat and everything cooks evenly every time, which I love. It's a ceramic pan made with a mineral-based coating that keeps the pan naturally slick, so it requires less oil or butter when cooking. I mean, just look at how easily everything stirs around without getting stuck. That was not the case with my last saute pan. I'd had to constantly scrape food from the bottom. This pan makes a perfect meal every time. I've had it for about 2 years and it has held up really well. I make sure to follow all the care instructions to make sure that this pan will last me a long time. I love how aesthetically pleasing the golden black look in my kitchen, and I also appreciate how easy it is to clean. Caraway has been a great choice for our family, but that's just my point of view.